Hi and welcome to my cooking channel. I'm going to fry some fish today. It is a simple recipe with just 3 ingredients but maximum taste. Shall we go into my kitchen and fry some fish with soy sauce and ginger? This main ingredient, the black pomfret, weighs 380 grams. The pomfret has been cleaned and gutted and is now ready for use. The first thing to do is to coat the fish. I have some corn flour that I mixed with rice flour for this purpose. Take sufficient corn flour and rice flour to coat the fish. The ratio of corn flour to rice flour is 8:2. Let's start coating the fish. It is a light coat, so don't add too much flour. Put some flour on one side of the fish, and then, as I am doing now, take up the fish and hold it with one hand, and with the other hand just rub the flour all over the fish. Turn the fish over to its flip side and do the same. We coat the fish with flour to prevent it from sticking to the surface of the pan. The rice flour serves to make the fish crispy when it is fried. Dust off any excess flour. The fish is now ready for the oil. I have sufficient oil in my frying pan to pan fry my pomfret. I am not going to deep fry my fish. You can, if you like, deep fry your fish. The pomfret is going in now. The flame is at a medium. Let's fry this fish for 3 minutes on one side. The umami flavor is naturally present in fish. Known as the fifth taste, umami is a subtly savory flavor that enhances other tastes that are present in a dish. It's gone 3 minutes. Let's now gently turn the fish over. You must be careful when doing this because the oil may splatter. Let's now fry the flip side for 2 minutes. Now that's a good idea, a splatter screen. It's been 2 minutes. Let's now gently remove the fish from the frying pan. Gently does it now. I've turned off the stove and am removing the fish to set it aside, leaving oil in the pan that is rich with umami flavor. Just look at this golden beauty. And now for the next stage in our cooking process. The frying pan is now on a low heat. I've removed the oil and left about 2 tablespoons in the pan. 40 grams of ginger that has been julienned has just gone into the oil. Ginger is slightly peppery in taste, thus incorporating some heat into the dish, giving it a spicy redolence. It also imparts an umami taste alongside the spiciness. Let's fry the ginger until it turns a light brown in color. The ginger is now a light brown color, so let's remove the ginger and keep it aside. Like garlic, ginger mellows with cooking, but be careful not to burn it because burnt ginger tastes bitter. I'm turning the flame off now. Here it is, the golden fried ginger. We are back to the frying pan. The flame is now at a medium. This is a mixture of 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce with 3 tablespoons of water. This soy sauce mixture is going into the oil now. Let's cook this mixture on a medium flame for 1.5 minutes. I just added some pepper. Soy sauce is another ingredient that is inherently rich in umami taste. The different amino acids found in soy sauce and in fish combine to give an increased umami taste to a dish. So frying the fish with soy sauce and ginger gives the dish a naturally occurring umami boost. A dish as simple as this then becomes an umami bomb. Sometimes it is simple cooking that gives a satisfying taste. Let's turn off the fire, dish out the soy sauce and put it to use. Let's garnish the fish with the fried ginger. Tuck it into the grooves. Then pour the dark, flavor-intense sauce over the fish. Let's also garnish with some fresh chilli slices and some coriander leaves as well. A simple and delicious dish. Enjoy! Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.